meatballs, so maybe we do that. Okay. I don't have a cool place to put any of this food, so I mean, I guess outside is cold, so this is actually buy one get one free. So we're gonna get some peppers and we're gonna get some squash, and they have some of this, so it's buy one get one free. So let's do that. I kind of want to try and find all-in-one seasoning because it'll be a lot easier and just. So we're gonna go ahead and get a little bit of camping stuff, like maybe some wood. I was kind of wanting to go to Walmart, but I really don't feel like going to Walmart. I feel like just going here, heading to the place, setting up camp, and start making a fire and start cooking. So let's wrap this up and head out. To the KOA.
My big old CVS receipt. It said 3 letters, KOA, CVS.
Yeah.
All right, so we're here right now.
Okay.
You're gonna go straight. You go over a yellow speed bump, take your first left. You're going to do to your third left, and you're 283.
Okay.
We're here till 5. After 5, you have any emergencies. That's the number I want you to call.
Awesome.
And Wi-Fi's on the front of the book club.
Thank you so much.
You're
I
welcome, sweetie.
appreciate
Enjoy.
it.
Stay warm.
Thank you. Got my wood. Got my spot. Let's go and set up. I'm like fighting the clock right now because I think it's like 4 something. The sun goes down at 5. So I really need to hurry up and set up, start my fire, because it's cold. It actually started snowing. It started snowing on my drive here. And I was like, my lips are so dry. I'm dry. I feel like, ugh. I'm so excited. It's freaking freezing. Let's go. So at this point, I've arrived, but I'm beating the clock now because it's currently 3:46 and the tent needs to be set up, the fire needs to get going, and I need to start cooking food. All before 5 p.m., which is sundown. wrong stuff. So at this point, I realized that I think I might have switched out my sticks for somebody else's. I had gone on a trip not too long ago, maybe earlier sometime this year. I think I might have accidentally switched out my sticks for somebody else's. And so now I am left basically without a tent. I brought the wrong one. Tent is so easy to put up. I think I'm gonna have to just sleep in the car, which kind of sucks because I wanted to actually be outside. This is a bummer. I'm really not happy about this. As long as you got food, you know? As long as you got food, you're low-key straight. I just need to set this fire up. It's so cold. Put this over. Those are my clothes. Okay, I can put these out. Blanket. I don't even know what this is. Oh, this is another blanket. Have my. I actually need this because it has like my lighter stuff in it, I think. I think this also has my lighter stuff in it too. Kind of glad to be in my car tonight. Low-key. This is very cold and it keeps like snowing then stopping and snowing and stopping. So, you know, you win some, you lose some. Actually gonna head back to get some more firewood because as you can see my little fire's going, but I have one more piece of wood and I still want to be warm tonight. I'm not sleeping outside, but I am sleeping in my car, and even though that's the case, I like sitting by the fire and I have to make dinner. So we're gonna head over to the front, get some more wood, and start making dinner. Oh, look who's calling me. Say hi, Charles.
What's up, fam?
Huh?
Don't do me like that. Don't do me like that.
All right. I'm gonna get this wood, you guys. I'm gonna talk to you later. Oh God, I really want to just sit in the car and make this food because it's pretty cold. There's another batch of meatballs I need to make, but I'm like, do I want to make it now? Do I want to make it later? I think I should make it now. I'm just freezing to death. Oh my gosh. Okay.
We got nowhere to be, just a slow dance with the summer heat. The world outside can't wait a few, 'cause right now we got nothing else to do. The sun is peeking through the cotton white blinds, your hands still tangled up in mine. Feet on the wall, your head on me, floating easy. We got nowhere to be, got nowhere to be.
Say it again. Look at that.
Your hair's a mess, but you don't mind. You just laugh, let it fall where it lies.
Yummy. Ooh. Ah. Let's take a bite. Still hot. Selena. Girl. Look. Camp food doesn't have to be boring food. It just needs to be cooked. Mmm. Oh my gosh. It is so cold. What is it? Let me look at, it's 32 degrees outside. Oh my gosh. It actually feels really good in here. But I'm literally shivering. I'm like, do I stay here another night? This is insane. All right, y'all. Oh. I'm heading out for the night. I am so cold and I just want to curl up. I don't even think I want to watch a show or movie or anything because I want this shut. All right, y'all. Bye. I'll see you in the morning. So, for some reason, the battery's saying, like, it's acting funny, but I think it's just frozen, maybe? It's a little cold. I don't know, but yeah, welcome back. It's morning time. And it is now 30 degrees. It was 27 this morning at 5:30. And now it's 30. I have no control over what's coming out my nose. Like, it's so cold that I can't feel anything. Like, my hands are cold again. My nose is cold. I actually need to put on some socks because my toes are cold. And I'm glad that I brought, like, socks. So I'm gonna actually, I layered up just now. And I'm gonna go ahead and put this on, another sock on my feet because it is just so freaking freezing and I don't want my toes to freeze up. I paid for 2 nights, you guys. And I don't know if we're gonna be able to do this again for another night. I have no control of my liquids coming out my face. And I thought it was going to be cute. I'm like, I'm going to do a face mask. It's too damn cold to do a face. If I were to do a face mask, it would freeze on my face. Okay? And I'm thugging it out so much that I haven't even taken a shower yet. Yeah, I admitted that. I admitted that. I did that. I said that. Okay. Anyways, I need to pee. I need to get in the bathroom. My nails are so dirty. Oh, by the way, I freaking burnt myself last night When I was out at the fire, I had just come back from the bathroom and I had lifted a piece of wood prior to leaving. Well, I thought that it wasn't on fire anymore. I literally picked it up and burnt the crap out of my finger. Actually, you can see it this morning a little bit. This in on it? Yeah, you see it? I couldn't feel it at the time because it was way too cold. And now I can definitely feel it. Oh, it looks like a heart. Wow. Right now, I'm by the Shenandoah River. And, whee! It's beautiful out here. It's so... That was nice. I should have brought my book. I didn't. That's okay. I'm gonna just take in the moment. Oh, poop. Great. So nice. I love it. I need to do this more often. I think I might do this. I most definitely will do this again. Like, definitely. 100%. Because this is a 10 out of 10. On this beautiful rock. Sometimes you just gotta thank nature, because this could easily just fall right now, but it's not. It's holding me up. I'm so thankful. But I just noticed there's also a train track down, like all the way down. Very cool. I want to go down there, but there's literally no way down, and I don't feel like climbing all the way back up. So I'm just gonna sit here and enjoy nature, vibe out for however long I feel like it, because I could literally fall asleep right here. Hearing the water go, it's like a nice little white noise. And just hearing the leaves and feeling the wind and the sun feels so good. It's actually a really nice temperature right now. Hello. So I was driving and on my way I saw this really cool bridge and I said I definitely need to go up here and take some pictures. I feel like they'd be sick. This is probably not the smartest thing to do, which is have my camera right on the highway, but here we are! Also, this is the Shenandoah River, and it actually, where I'm headed to next, is where the Potomac River and Shenandoah River come together. So we're gonna head to town. I really wanted to go in town and like see what's over there, because if I'm all the way out here in West Virginia, why not do it all? Because I don't know the next time I'll be out
here. It's night in the city, and I'm on my way back home. Humming on my favorite ditty, swinging like Natalie Cole. But then out of the blue, who strolls down the boulevard but you? Your place is closer than mine. Why don't we go there and have some more wine? 'Cause life I'm back again on the street. Ooh, but then out of the blue, a wind starts blowing in ways so new. A world more exciting than mine is holding up a great big welcoming sign. Life is for living. Let's see where this all might lead. But then out of the blue, strolls down the boulevard. But your place is closer than mine. Why don't we go there and have some more wine? 'Cause life is for living. Let's see where this all might lead. I said life is for living. Let's see where this all might lead.
Down here is the Appalachian Trail, so I'm gonna touch it and then I can say that I've been there and I did it. And I walked the Appalachian Trail. The fact that I can see my breath is actually not that cold. Today has been such a long day. We made it to Harper's Ferry. We went camping solo. We did it with no tent, no jacket, and no gloves. But we did it. And I gotta say, I am not going to spend another night out here in 30-degree weather. We live and we learn, right? Next time, look at the weather. I just did not prepare for this. I kind of just was like, let's do this, let's go and have fun, and I went and found out. But it's really warm right now. This is the warmest it'll be today. The sun's about to go down. But that's a wrap, you guys. That's it. We're done here. We're done. All done. Peace, y'all. That kind of looks sexual. Okay, anyways, bye.